I'm going to go to functions again and give you a slightly different take on functions and what you can do with them. I've just generated a data set here, same 1,000 rows, and I haven't done anything dramatic really with it. I've just said it's number 80, whole number, and we'll just use the row num for two identical columns. I am actually going to create a virtual column, however, on one of those physical columns, real columns. So 11G for virtual columns, of course. M2 generated always as mod ID2, 3. Now what I'm going to show you is another of the problems you get with functions of columns and a possible workaround that can help enormously. Collect stats. I want stats of all three columns, the real and the virtual. So, what happens, note I've got ID1. I've got mod of ID1, right? ID1, select where mod of ID1, 3 equals 0. How many rows is Oracle going to select? If I start with 10,000 of them, I've got a sequence number, and I do mod of ID1, 3 is 0. Christian? He's twittering. Sorry, I didn't do that deliberately. I just knew he'd give me the right answer. I didn't notice he wasn't paying attention. 3,333. Every third row. Actually, it's 334, but every third row. Oracle's estimate, 10. Why? Because Oracle says, I have no idea. Let's call it 1%. 1% is one of those magic numbers that really wrecks your execution plans. Look for the 1% appearing, and maybe it's Oracle taking a blind shot in the dark. Right? What about ID1, 3 not equal to 0? Well, 100 of your rows come up with zeros, 500 rows come up with not 0, and somewhere along the line, Oracle's managed to lose 9,400 rows. Right? 5%. Functions of columns, it's not just you switch off the ability to use indexes, you switch off the ability to do transitive closure, that's the thing Maria was on about at the end there. It really wrecks the cardinality estimates. So, what happens when I do the same with mod ID2, 3? 3,333. Almost perfect. Not equal to 3? 6,667. Almost perfect. Because I created a virtual column, which is mod ID2, 3. And Oracle looked at my predicate and said, mod ID2, 3? I've seen that before somewhere. Oh, I get a virtual column that matches that exactly. Oh, I've got stats on that virtual column. And it's rewritten my query to say, you don't want mod ID2, 3 equals 0, you want M2 equals 0. It's a simple predicate. I've got the stats. Bang, I've got the right answer. It's a round of applause. No, you didn't have to look quite that much. Okay, virtual columns. You can play the sort of game with function-based indexes, by the way, in Oracle 10, but you don't really want to have the physical index maintained. So in Oracle 10, you might actually create a function-based index, but make sure it's declaredly unusable, and make sure that no one ever accidentally rebuilt it. You can collect stats on the virtual column generated by a function-based index and get the same sort of effect. But it's a bit of a flaky type of thing, shaky type of thing to do, because someone might accidentally make that index usable and introduce lots of index maintenance. Okay, I think the next slide is one of yours, Maria. Yes?
All right, we're nearly there.